Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to clear recycle bin in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care. After that go to storage and here you can see recycle bin option, then just tap on recycle bin. Now from here you can clear your recycle bin. If you want to clear recycle bin of gallery, just tap on gallery, then tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete, and it's deleted successfully. Now go back, then tap on voice recorder. From here if you want to delete one by one, just touch and hold it, and from here you can delete one by one, then tap on delete, then tap on delete again. Also if you want to delete all the file at the same time, just tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete, and it's deleted successfully. Now go back again, then open messages, then tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on empty recycle bin, then go back, then open contacts, and it's deleted successfully. Then go back again. Now if you open recycle bin again, and you can see there is no file in the recycle bin, and that's it. You have successfully cleared recycle bin in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.